When y'all niggas gon' quit, man? Be this for niggas who nice like that. Yo, hey yo, niggas bars fuck my mood up. It don't move much, I need to tune up and tune in. The dope here, baby, so lift your spoon up. I know Shorty's more gooned up, she bout to suit up. El Myra bring the boom up, size the room up. French kiss him, this fat, this shit ballooned up. Past the strip search, they found it after he threw up. Sell dope, free or lock. We all that we all got. You be hard to me or not. Hard small, go get a DR shot. Get it big and maybe more wavy, I've been feeling lately. Pay me, been frying beef, someone like the filet. Side of Camus, pasta penne, you know how I play. I kept some robberies calm that wasn't going my way. No bodies, just some blood on the stock of the K. All I can say is we conclude that my mood is always eat they food. Don't be that dude who wanna be a dude. Don't be that dude who wanna be a dude.
Legalize the reefer, listen, don't penalize the teacher. Bite the hand that feeds you. Clean your clock with the street sweeper. Flood the block with the sunny cheaper. Put the tea in the steeper. And keep a mean stash in my running sneakers. Air Max 95s. I'm alive, wood grain. Shit is like a prize when I drive. Mine's a Ferrari, spaceship like Atari. Bass hit, back to basics. Though back fit, that'll match the Asics. Shell toes that ain't got the laces. Ass smooth while he rock his hat this way. Aerosmith and run, rock this way. Niggas know I'm on the block this day. Two-step to this, bop and sway. The flock of birds get pitched on curbs. Body niggas, I'm good with words. They know that my bars make the fofo clap. I'm back to clean up crew for you non-believers. Get pussy with my father's features. Jesus, I'm the one with the gun. Hate to admit, I'm the dad, they the son. One.
You know what I'm saying? I'm picking the lock, coming through the door blasting, you know what I'm saying? It's like you hungry, you reach your level. You know, I don't want them to be like, they know what I'm gonna say because it's polite. They know what I'm gonna say. And even if I get in trouble, you know what I'm saying? Ain't that what we're supposed to do? I'm not saying I'm gonna rule the world or I'm gonna change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain.
And